Magandang tanghali sa inyo lahat, mga kapamilya, mga kapuso. Dito tayo ngayon sa JNNN, Java News ngayon. At ang ating nagbabagong balita, una, si Christian Evangelista, Gang Evangelista, ay tumanakbong presidente, ngunit natalo. At ang pangalawa, ang persona ni Presidente Noynoy Aquino ay napakaganda. Tama? Tama. Headline ngayon. Tungkol sa Java. Ang nagbabalita, Tevi, mula sa STI Dasma. Pasok. Walang nawid na. Mga kapatid. Alien. Meron tayo iba't ibang bahagi ng Java. Ibang kaliwanag lang ang mga estudyante ng STI. Ang una ay ang web services. Sige, kapatid. Alien. Alien. Hindi ko na lang parang Inglesin mo lang Hello, developers. All developers get first class support for writing XML web service. Pantalasti nga. Namamali tayo sa English. You can expose your APLS.net. Enter comparable web service with a simple annotation. Natural style. Want to handle XML already? Knock yourself out. Java C. This a new parsing and XML to Java object. Mapping APLS. Previously only available in Java EE platform and segmentation or the Java Web Service Pack. Ito nakatulog na. Sunod ay ang scripting. Alien ka ba? Alien. Mamay ka kapatid. Tagalogin mo nga.
Kanino to? Sige, pasa mo lang.
Guys!
For advanced developers can plug in their own scripting and mix their favorite scripting language in Java code as they speak it.
Mukhang kagagawa-gawa lang.
Sunod naman ang database. Ay. Ayun, sa English na lang sabihin kasi mahirapan ako.
Wala akong bootstrap.
For a great out-of-the-box development, database application, the Java NEC development kit, though not the Java runtime environment, co-banded with the all Java database. Developers will also get the updated a well-used HTML with many important improvements, such as support for XML, data type, and better integration of binary libraries, character large objects, and for desktop EDN.
GUI developers get a large number of new tricks to play, like ever popular Get Newbie. To help you with already in GUI applications, JTables
Ako yun. Sige, English ulit. The really big issue is that you don't need to anything special to start application. So aside from the fact with any of the monitoring and management tools, the Java SE platform. Java SE is yet for the information. And the global database. The base of memory is analysis tool. That is for forensic exploration of those programs.
Yan, panibagong alam na naman mga sa ating lahat. Hindi na nagtatapos ang aming palabas. Susunod na. Sumbong-sumbong.
Pakiabot nga kayo.
Yung araw ko, ay bongbong. Marami na daw nakakatuklas sa STI ng bagong moderno, modernong Java. At ang una natin sumbong ay manggagaling sa mga taga-STI ulit. Ito na yun, ang compiler access. Generate a bunch of lines. The compiler API opens up programming access to Java for process compilation of dynamic generated Java. Kaya nagugustuhan ng ating mga kababayan hindi sinakaraan. Kaya ang dapat sa'yo ay tumbungin ng tumbungin. Maalala ko yun.
Murahin mo yan.
Para, hindi ka naisumbong. Kaya naman, ang pangalawa ay Lockable annotation. Ngayon na. Yan na yan.
Kami na namin joke in JavaScript. At least some of the solve the problem. No more jokes no more. Because Java tools and frameworks like one of them different manuals. Defining their own annotation. It will have core support for plugins and existing
Like may ilaw.
Ang patong tumbong ay sa desktop deployment.
Kaya ng pagitan. Mic ba? Yung remote.
Java applications can integrate better with platforms with things like the access to the platform system and integrate them better with Java SE unified Java plus Java
Number 2.
that makes sense installation of the Java applications that much smoother.
from the where provided to the administrators, your regular email as in daily as in. So Java SE6 has simplified the job of the security administrator by providing various new ways to access platform native security such as native public key infrastructure or PKI and cryptographic service on Microsoft Windows for secure authentication and communication. Java generic security services and Kerberos is their need for authentication and access to LDAP servers for authentication.
Ito ang YouTube boom. Ang panguling tumbong na nanggaling sa ating mamayan ay nanggaling kay Michael.
One effect or testing. Kasi ano to eh. Tapos na mo.